The ongoing saga surrounding the Megan Thee Stallion shooting case has taken an unexpected turn. Tory Lanez, whose real name is Daystar Peterson, was convicted and sentenced to 10 years in prison for shooting Megan Thee Stallion, born Megan Pete. However, recent developments have brought new claims that may challenge the foundation of his conviction. On Wednesday, Lanez's legal team filed motions seeking his release, citing new testimony that suggests he was not the person who fired the shots at Megan. This fresh evidence emerges while Lanez is reportedly recovering after suffering multiple stab wounds sustained during an altercation in prison. The latest twist comes from a statement by Bradley James, who worked as the driver and bodyguard for Kelsey Harris, a close friend of Megan Thee Stallion. Harris, who has been a figure of interest in the case, allegedly played a more direct role in the shooting than previously understood. The nonprofit organization Unite the People, known for advocating for social justice and legal transparency, held a press conference to present this new information. Walter Roberts, UTP's lead legal consultant, shared the details revealed by Bradley James, emphasizing the importance of this testimony. Roberts explained, Unite the People was recently approached by Bradley James, who was employed as Kelsey Harris's driver and bodyguard during the period surrounding Mr. Peterson's trial. Mr. James was privy to conversations between Ms. Harris and her husband, among others. James told UTP that he was not bound by any confidentiality or non-disclosure agreements, which allowed him to speak openly. He expressed a moral obligation to come forward, stating that he could not stand by knowing an innocent man was imprisoned. According to James, during a private conversation, Harris admitted to possessing the gun and discharging it multiple times. He recounted Harris saying that she fired 3 shots, after which Peterson tried to grab the weapon from her. In the struggle, the gun discharged 2 additional times. This account suggests that Lanez neither fired the weapon nor physically handled it during the incident. Roberts reiterated this crucial point. Mr. James confirmed that Mr. Peterson never shot anyone, never even touched the gun, and did not fire it. This assertion directly contradicts the basis on which Tory Lanez was convicted. The revelation has sparked significant public interest and calls for a review of the case. It also raises questions about the role Harris may have played and whether the initial investigation fully considered all perspectives and testimonies. Tory Lanez's conviction had been widely publicized, with Megan Thee Stallion herself testifying against him in court. Lanez was found guilty of assault with a firearm and is serving a decade-long sentence. The rapper's supporters have consistently argued his innocence, claiming mishandling of evidence and inconsistencies in the prosecution's case. Now, with this new evidence presented by Unite the People and Bradley James's testimony, Lanez's legal team is pushing for a reevaluation. They argue that this testimony could potentially exonerate their client and warrant his release. As Lanez recovers from his prison injuries, the case remains in the spotlight, highlighting the complex nature of high-profile legal battles involving celebrities. Whether this new evidence will lead to any official changes in Lanez's sentence remains to be seen, but it certainly adds a dramatic layer to an already contentious case. Unite the People has pledged to continue investigating and advocating for justice, emphasizing their commitment to uncovering truth and transparency in legal proceedings. The public and legal observers alike await further updates, hopeful that the full facts will soon come to light, ensuring justice is served fairly.